Hi, boys and girls. I just want to quickly go over what we're going to be learning this week in our classroom, week of May 17th through the 21st. This is just kind of a more to explore at home. So for reading, we are recounting stories. That includes fables, folk tales, myths, and legends. In class, you know we are reading Yonder Mountain, and because we cannot bring our textbooks home, I have provided a copy of Yonder Mountain for you to listen to at home. If you click the link, it will take you to, oops, wrong one, Yonder Mountain. You are welcome to
Eastern
listen to
Band
it
of the Cherokee Indians,
as many times as you
Cherokee
like.
NC, grew up speaking Cherokee.
And it tells you a little bit more about the author there too. For spelling, you are going to have a Brain Pop junior activity on prefixes. We're going to be learning about prefixes this week. You are going to watch the video. Then once you're done watching the video, you have quizzes to take. You can do a make a map or create coding. Any of these activities that you see down here, you are welcome to try out. Next, for our grammar, we are going to be working on adjectives. I have assigned some boom cards for you guys. You are going to sign in with your username and your password, and then this week, this assignment that I've assigned for you this week is picking out the adjective. So you can use this button.
Read the sentence, then type the adjective in.
So you're going to choose the adjective out of the sentence and type it in the box. For math, we are going to be doing multiplication. I have assigned you Khan Academy. You can watch the videos on equal groups, an introduction to multiplication, and multiplication as repeated addition. And then you will have little quizzes that are associated with that. So I recommend doing the practice ones and then doing the quiz. For science, we are doing states of matter. You are going to watch the video on study jams for solids, liquids, and gases, and then you can do the test yourself. And lastly, for social studies, we are going to continue on with Native American legends. I have provided a video that goes over different types of Native Americans that are in the United States. And you have to maybe sit through an ad, so those are all things that you can do at home with your parents that will help you in the classroom this week. Again, let me know if you have any questions. You can post questions to our Google Classroom on the stream section, or you can email me. Also, don't forget I have listed the lunch menu on our Google Classroom. And you will have homework and classwork assignments in your Google Classroom to turn in. So you can look through there and see what needs to be done. I look forward to seeing you in class.